Hi there, I'm back with the brand growth idea number 25, that is stay relevant, offer solutions in the present. Again, coming to the COVID 19 situation and how businesses have been actually suffering through the losses and through the inaction that followed by the lockdown, which was spread world over and leaving the consumers or the business side, or we all of us as human beings in lot of anxiety and confusion as to what the future holds. Now, businesses were also in a situation to save the employees' heads and save the business to keep the basics going. But then, how did they improvised? How did they sustained? How did they made a comeback? To give you an example, Linen Club launched the three-layer antibacterial face masks as a comeback launch when they came up with the uh, opening up of the stores and the retail industry as such. Peter England offered reusable masks which can be easily washed and maintained at home. The fashion brands talked about the guidelines. The store guidelines was the largest and the biggest sort of communication which was taken up by the responsible brands all over the world, whether it was their social media space or the websites or the employee communication. Everywhere they were talking about the COVID 19 related safety guidelines, ensuring their customers that they are most welcome to the stores and they will be taken care of no matter what. Whether it was a guideline related to the temperature check or it was a guideline related to the uh, three trials at a time by the employees. Even the trial rooms were decked up with the communication that the entire trial inventory will undergo sanitization and they will be left in the isolation rooms just to make sure that the customer is not afraid to come back and to try the product and eventually buy it. Now that is how the fashion brands, the personal labels stayed relevant. If we talk about the two-tier cities, a lot of the boutiques and the small players started communicating through WhatsApp, telling the clients that they are offering home delivery at negligible or nominal price. Some even went to bearing that cost on their pocket just to ensure that there is some business happening. Same way, Zomato and the Swiggy, all these businesses started sending number of mailers assuring the 8-step delivery process, which is the no contact delivery, just to ensure that people start ordering food online. Whether that happened or not, about the Zomato thing, I am not sure, but if we look at the retail statistics, the business started moving. Even the designer labels who were designing for the bridal collections or the ethnic collection came up with the relevant kind of designing so that their special moments like weddings or the family functions are not spoiled. How did we decided to stay relevant in the COVID 19 phase? Now, we being a branding agency were going through a lot of questions and answers. A lot of our clients were showing concerns and seeking help as to how they should deal with. The startups were asking us a lot of questions to continue with the process of questions and answers and to provide solutions. We decided to get in touch with the industry leaders and we launched a series which is called the Brand Talk with Leaders, and we made sure that all the featured leaders come from the different industry. Somebody is a leading OD consultant, other person was a social entrepreneur working on the causes, somebody is a director solar business. So we tried and captured the entire services, marketing, manufacturing industry, and we interviewed them around the COVID 19 pandemic situation and how they were helping their businesses sustain and grow. Now, that is the kind of brand offering you have to create when your clientele, when the market is actually seeking solutions out of you. Not Branding is not all about selling, it is actually about establishing a market value, a market relevant brand, a trusted brand. That's how you should work on your brand abilities. So, we created the Brand Talk with Leader series, which was well accepted. People also reached out to us saying that it helped them take the take the right actions for their internal as well as external steps towards brand building, towards reassuring the business tactics as the normal, and they could run the business with more efficient ways by listening to the leaders. So what I am trying to say here is, it is very important as a brand to stay relevant and to offer value more than all the time selling, because when you're offering value, when you're able to handhold and help your audience or the people who are not even your clients, they trust you as a brand and they find you appealing and approaching. That's how you can actually lead your brand and lead a better outreach and lead to converting more clientele, more suspects, more prospects. Do it, stay relevant, refine your communication, and let people, let customers be aware that you are aware of the circumstances, you are approachable enough, and you are there to help them in whatever the conditions the business and the industry or the entire business ecosystem is going through. That's how brands build trust. Do it, and I'll be back soon with the next brand growth idea. Thank you.